All right, my electric scooter is here, ready to go, ready to be unpacked. So I'm going to mount that quickly. So I'm going to open the box and assemble it and see how this scooter performs. It's right now. Et voilà, out of the box experience was not bad at all actually, because it comes already pre-assembled. All you have to do is just add those little handlebar to the scooter and you're good to go. They also give you the charging block, of course, and included 2 X key that you can see right there. So very easy assemble, comes already pre-mounted. As you can see here, all I have to do now is finishing up the assembly. Up. Starting already by the main handle. Okay, handlebar on. Now just one last adjustment for the brake handle and the ring, which is quite loud. It's good. So with this X key that they give me, and everything should be good to go. And of course, eventually when you are done mounting your bike, you can remove all those little RL sticker if you want. That's just there to help you during assembly. And one last thing to do for the assembly to be complete, it's removing this screen protector. Here we go. And now it's all ready to go. Once everything is ready, easy peasy for the functionality of the bike. We have 2 buttons here. This one, it's off-on button, and you can change also the miles or kilometer speed setting. And of course, you can also turn on or off the lights with this button as well. The second button is the mode button. You have 3 modes. You have 3 speed mode: slow, medium, and fast. So here we go. Turning on the bike, you just press and hold the power button. After a few seconds, it turns off. Battery is fully charged, of course. Don't forget to fully charge your scooter before to use it. So you have the battery level here on the bottom. The S tells you which mode it is on. And of course, the counter to tell you the speed. It's kilometer right now, but if I press 3 times here in this button, it changes to miles. Pressing 2 times the on-off button / light button will turn on the light. And not only it turns the front light, but also it turns the back light. So you don't have only a reflector in the back, you actually have a rear light. So front light, front bright light that you can adjust like so, up and down, and with a tiny reflector on the bottom as well. But the tiny reflector is only from the front light. The back light, however, are very bright, but they are lights, they are real lights, not just a reflector, which I like as well with this scooter. And then you press 2 more times quickly to turn off the light. Mode button, like I said before, you have 3 modes, so it's white S means minimum speed, orange S means medium speed, and red S means the maximum speed. So 3 speed mode on this scooter. And that's it, now it's good to go. And of course, to turn off the scooter, just press and hold the off button for a few seconds, and your scooter is now off. There are a few great features I like with this scooter. It's first of all, of course, it's visually, you can see it. The build quality, it's awesome. Here you have this anti-slip pad that looks like a bit like one of those skateboard boards. So it feels a bit the same with this like sandpaper bottom. We have the brand here, LEQISMART, and it's quite large, quite wide. So I have big feet and it fits perfectly on that. So that's great, and it feels very secure when you ride this scooter. So that's a great feature. And visually, construction is awesome. The bottom, everything feels sturdy. They use metal everywhere where they should do, and it's not plasticky cheapo, despite the fact to be an entry-based scooter. The build quality, it's really great. It looks like a super pricey scooter, like you pay $1,000 for it. But in fact you pay less than $300, so I think it's a good deal and a great quality scooter. It has of course a kickstand right here, so you can fold it and unfold it to Here we go. So the scooter stays by itself. On the back and on the front, it has mud guard, which is very great to get if you drive on the sand or on mud, you never know. But it will also avoid some stone to be projected toward you. So those mud guards are very important. On the front here, we do have some reflector, yellow reflector. So you can be seen easily by car from far away. But two other great features I love with this scooter, it's the tire. First of all, the tires are pneumatic. They are not just like solid tire, like in some scooter. With solid tire, you feel everything. You go on gravel, even on concrete, any surface, you feel everything. There is no suspension on those scooters usually. So with the plain tire, you feel all the terrain. With pneumatic tire, however, you have a smoother ride. You get like the feeling that you are driving on cloud. Really, that's the only way I can explain it. Only downside of those, it's of course that you can have a flat. It's like bicycle. You cannot escape the flats from time to time, but they are small tire. They will be cheaper to replace or fix in case if that happens. But so far, I never had any problem with this kind of tire. They work perfectly, and again, they give you a smoother ride. And of course, the last but not the least awesome feature of this scooter is the fact that it's foldable. So, how you do that? Very easy. You pull the little ball of this latch up, and then you open the latch, like so, and the handlebar just go down, as you can see, and now you can lock it. Here we go. Here you lock it on the back mud guard. You just lock it like so, and that's it. Now it's folded, and you can pick up your scooter. That's the sweet spot right there. It's quite well balanced, of course. There you go. Now it's perfect for transportation, and off we go. Now you arrive at destination. You want to open your scooter again. You just push down the mud guard to unlock the handlebar. You put up the handlebar, and then you lock it here on the front. Ta-da! And that's it. Good to go. And also a little something I wanted to show you is that this hook here, which is used to fold the scooter using the mud guard in the back, as you saw before, can actually be used as a hook for hanging bags. So if you have any bags you want to bring along with you on the ride with the scooter, you can use this hook to hang your bag right there. So it's double useful for folding and for carrying bags. So I wanted to show you that, guys. All right, everything is assembled. The scooter is ready to go, fully charged, and now it's time to go and test it on the road. Let's go. There we go. Yep, now we are done here a little bit. Maximum speed set. Going a bit downhill. Let's see how it's handled. A little bit bumpy roads again. 30 miles, 14, 15. I'm going to reach the maximum speed of the odometer. Here we go, 16 miles an hour. Maximum speed of the odometer, and logically the maximum speed of the scooter, but I have the feeling that it goes much faster than 16 miles right now. Just that the odometer cannot get more than 16 for some reason. Cannot go over 16. Yep, a little bumpy road here. Yeah, way more than 16. So a little advice: if you want accurate speed reading, maybe you need to add an extra one of those GPS odometer as well. All right, excellent. Everything works perfectly as you saw. So I'm very happy with it, and now it's going to be my go-to scooter to go around. Hope you will be happy with yours. Definitely recommended for a budget scooter. It's very impressive. All right, thanks again for watching. Hope this video has been useful for you, and see you next time. Bye bye.